around again. These doors letting me down. Happen over and over, and it makes me feel it. And though I love her, I can't stand it still. What can we do with this circle that is just so tense? And can we ever break free? Do we leave on the circumference?